Pegasus Path is the way to make sure you're on track for graduation and to ensure that you're taking the right classes each semester. In this video, we'll show you how to access your Pegasus Path, give you a quick tour on how it works, and walk you through how to use its most important features. To get started, log in to myUCF. Click on the Student Self-Service link. From your Student Self-Service page, look for the Pegasus Path link. Click the link to open your personalized academic pathway. Once your Pegasus Path opens, you'll land on your dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see key information about your academic record. This includes the My Areas of Study, where you'll see any declared programs, including second majors, minors, or certificates, the associated catalog years, and a note for your primary major. Next, in the instructions box, you'll see the term and unit preferences. Lastly, you'll see your semester by semester pathway. Each semester shows the recommended courses and the number of units planned for that term. This helps you visualize how your degree requirements fit together and what your future semesters might look like. Some courses are marked as critical courses. These are important for staying on track in your major. Completing them during the recommended semesters helps you keep moving toward graduation. After the add drop deadline each semester, courses you're currently taking will no longer appear on the plan. But you can still view those courses and your other complete requirements in your Pegasus Path report. Next, we'll show you how to edit your terms, adjust your schedule, and build your own academic plan. Let's look at how we can start planning your future semesters. Pegasus Path suggests the best courses based on your planned terms and credit hours. Default settings match your program's recommendations, but you can update your preferences anytime. Start by selecting Edit My Terms and Units. Here, you can add a term, remove a term, or edit the target units per term. Pegasus Path works best when you establish the term and unit preferences that align with your enrollment and graduation goals. Use the Target Units column to adjust the maximum credit hours you wish to complete in that term. We recommend adding an additional unit to account for courses with lab requirements. Note that you cannot exceed the maximum units per term. To add a term, simply click the plus icon, then select the term and year and add your target units. If you're not planning to take classes during a particular term, you can click the minus icon to remove that term from your plan. Note that terms with locked courses cannot be removed. Click OK, and Pegasus Path will refresh your plan to reflect your changes. If you do not plan enough terms and units for your remaining requirements, they will be placed in an unassigned requirements section at the top of the plan. Our next step is to select courses within your academic plan. When reviewing your plan, you might see Not Selected listed in red in the Select column. This means that you must select a specific course to fulfill that requirement in your degree program. Click the Select link to make your selection. In the new Course Picker window, options available to satisfy this requirement will display. You can use the filters on the left to narrow the results. Note that courses not typically offered in the selected term will not display in results. Click the blue information icon for course descriptions and prerequisites information. Click OK to return to the Course Picker page. After reviewing your options, hit the green Select button to choose the class. The selected course will now be associated with that requirement on your plan. In some situations, like a prerequisite course not included in your major or minor requirements, you may need to manually add a course to your plan. Go to the planned term and click the Add Course link. You'll be prompted to search the course catalog using the prefix and course number. When you've made your selection, you'll indicate the purpose of the course and click OK. Back on the plan, you'll see the new course, added with option to delete it if you no longer plan to complete the course. You may also need to remove a class from the plan that you have already completed, but the system does not recognize. This might occur with missing transfer or test credit. To remove the requirement, hit the X icon in the Remove column. Before removing the course, you will be prompted to identify the reason for removal, then click OK. Manually removed courses will be listed at the bottom of the page in the Manually Removed Requirements box. If that requirement is later satisfied on the audit, it will be removed from the list. To further fine-tune your plan, our next step is to arrange my plan. This allows you to manually move courses between terms. You can move courses that are not advisor admin locked. Locked courses will appear in red, which means they must stay in that term. To move a planned course, click and hold the course, then drag it to the semester where you'd like it to go. Let's make a few quick edits to this plan. If Pegasus Path detects a problem with your changes, it will display a warning message. Some problems may include prerequisite errors, courses not offered in that term, and too many planned units. Once your problems are resolved, click OK, and you'll be returned to the plan where you can view your changes. In Pegasus Path, important courses can be locked in specific terms to help you stay on track for graduation. Locked requirements include advisor admin locks and student pins. In the locked column, you can see courses that have the advisor admin lock or student pin. These courses remain locked in place when you update your term and unit preferences or manually refresh the suggestions. They are typically added by an academic success coach or faculty advisor to help you complete certain prerequisites at the right time and stay on track for graduation. If you are viewing your plan within the Arrange My Plan section, locked courses will show in red and cannot be moved. Only an academic success coach or administrator can lock and unlock courses. You'll need to contact your academic success coach if you wish to discuss the reason for the lock. You can use the student pin option under the locked menu to place your own locks. This allows you to keep courses in the term you prefer while adjusting other parts of your plan. If you decide to later move the pinned course, you can remove the student pin by clearing it from the locked menu. Besides removing a student pin at the course level, you can use the Clear Locks button to remove all the student pins across the plan. Any advisor admin locks will remain after using this feature. Pegasus Path is designed to help you stay organized, plan ahead, and make informed decisions about your academic journey at UCF. If you have questions about your plan, connect with your academic success coach for guidance. Thanks for watching, and charge on.